You can also access exclusive extra video feeds online with Fox Sports Motogp race centered during Motogp FP4, qualifying 1 and 2, and the race, where you can watch live onboard cameras, helicopter camera, plus live timing and rider tracker. Race Center will also show live timing and final results for every Motogp session throughout the weekend. Stream the Aragon Motogp Live and ad-free on Fox Sports. Get your free 2-week Foxtel Now trial and start watching in minutes. Sign up now. Shock comeback. Rossi cleared to ride 20 days after breaking leg. Here's our broadcast schedule for this weekend. All times Est, and on Fox Sports 506.friday 455 p.m., Moto3 free practice 1555 p.m., Motogp free practice 1655 p.m., Moto2 free practice 1905 p.m., Moto3 free practice 21005 p.m., Motogp free practice 21105 p.m., Moto2 free practice 2 SATURDAY 455 p.m., Moto3 free practice 3555 p.m., Motogp free practice 3655 p.m., Moto2 free practice 3830 p.m., Moto3 QUALIFYING 930 p.m., Motogp free practice 41010 p.m., Motogp QUALIFYING 1105 p.m., Moto2 QUALIFYING 430 p.m., Moto3 warm UP 510 p.m., Moto2 warm UP 540 p.m., Motogp warm UP 600 p.m., pre-race show with Chris Stubbs, Kevin McGee and Chris VERMEULE and 700 p.m., Moto3 RACE 820 p.m., Moto2 RACE 1000 p.m., Motogp Race. The latest sports news in your inbox daily.